Unit 2 Tqm principles. So in previous video we have discussed about unit 1, that's introduction, the basics of total quality management, and that definition of quality, and then definition of total quality management. So these things we have discussed in the previous video, and then in this video I am going to explain Tqm principles. So what are the principles in total quality management? In the second unit we are going to discuss about customer satisfaction, customer perception of quality, customer complaints, service quality, and customer retentions, employee involvement, motivation, empowerment, team and teamwork, recognition and reward, performance appraisal, continuous process improvement, PDSA cycle, and then 5S and the case on supplier partnership, supply relations, supply selection, and supply rating. So these are topics we are going to discuss in the unit 2. So I am going to explain customer satisfaction. Okay. So who is the customer? So customer is nothing but a one who are going to use your product. There is a customer. Okay. So one who uses the product or service, the one who purchase the product or service, or one who influence the product or service. This is called a customer. The customer in the sense who are all going to use your service or product, that is a customer. Okay. So you are developing one product, that product is used by one people, that is called a customers. Okay. So our service, your service is used to be one person, that is called a customers. There are two types of customers. One is the internal customers and also external customers. So these are two types of customers. Internal customers is nothing but both are customers that's used to buy inside the organization and then outside the organization. Used to buy your product. There's a two types of customers: internal customers and then external customers. Okay. So customer satisfaction. So customer satisfaction is nothing but each and every product must satisfy the customer needs. That's a customer satisfaction. In the TEPOL explain the satisfaction about the customer, like TEPOL model. In that model, see this square is nothing but just as a company offer, company providing the services or product. Okay, and then customer needs. So product have some features. This is the features of product, and then customer need the services or any product quality like that. Okay, so how it satisfies the customer? That means so total satisfaction is achieved when offer matches the need. That is a circle is superimposed on the squares. Then only the customer satisfied. That means so if just as in so if a customer needs a product, the product have 100% quality means the company or any organization so develop the product is at least 110 percentage. So then only so it's that's the customer. That means so company services will be square. Our customer needs customer satisfaction is nothing but a circle. So it's a circle must imposed superimposed on the squares. Then only customer satisfaction. Here the diagram shows this is the need not fulfilled. Okay. Say customer satisfy only these things. So customer satisfaction. So this is customer satisfaction. Okay. So the Tepol model explain company service will be square and then customer satisfaction will be circle. So circle will be superimposed on the squares. Then only customer satisfied. That's a Tepol model concept. Same then service organization and then customer satisfaction. So customer satisfaction is difficult but not impossible. Okay, it's possible. So how it is possible means determine key performance indicators. So for satisfying the customer, you have to determine the key performance indicators and then set targets like smart goals. So based on service, measurable, achievable, and then reliability, and then target. Based on that, we can achieve the goals of the customers, and then make teams for developing the products that should be satisfy the customers. And also analyze them on weekly basis. The product or each and every company analyze the product or developing product or customer feedbacks on weekly basis. So another it should be standardized, either ISO standards or anything, national or international standards or industry standards. Okay. So another sustain. These are the customer satisfaction. Okay. So another why customer leave. Okay. If you are using one product, so we have that we are using the particular product in one company, one product. So the same products are available in some other company. Okay. So why the customer leave to another product? So another company product, same product. Okay. So here the percentage will be calculated based on the why customer leaves to one company product to another company, the same product in another company. Like here, so poor service are 69%. So customer leave the product based on the poor service. But providing the poor service means customer move to another company. Okay, there is another product dissatisfaction. That is only 13% of customers leave based on the product dissatisfaction. It does not satisfy the basic characteristics of the quality. Okay, so it's a better price. So based on the price, only 9% your product so low cost. Then only the customer use the your product. So it will be based on that cost price. 9% of customer move to another organization, another company. Okay, so other reason 9%. So totally why customer leave the leave means that is a poor service provided by the any organization. So only the customer leave to the another company or product. Okay, that's why customer. This is the reason for customer leaving to the another organization. Okay, so in Keno model, the customer satisfaction is defined based on the basic attributes, performance attributes, and then excitement attributes. The Keno model distinguishes between three types of product or service requirements, which influence customer satisfaction in different way when met. Okay, one is the basic attributes and performance attributes, and then excitement attributes. That means, so basic attribute means the product must only satisfy the basic attributes. Okay, so performance attribute means it only satisfy the what customer expect, what customer needs only. The excitement attribute means if customer that means the product satisfy the customer more than the customer need. Okay, that's the excitement attributes. Add some it have some additional features. Okay, so this is a graph. Y-axis we have customer satisfaction level, and then x-axis we have customer satisfaction fulfillment. Here we have basic factors and dissatisfies. That means your product must satisfy only the basic characteristics. So sometimes it leads to the dissatisfaction of the customer. Another also performance factors. Performance factor means what customer needed. So it only satisfy the what customer expected. Okay, that is a performance factor. Another one excitement factor is nothing but a delight us. That means if customer need one characteristics, but it provide additional features. That is a excitement factors. Okay, so that is as a best example, that means if you are buying one product, others if you are buying one car in your anyone's showroom. Okay, so maybe any Maruti or any car. Okay, so when buying your time, they do one like each and every the fuel there is a kilometer only provide 18 kilometers means so less than it provide the kilometer that's mileage. So mileage only in manual itself they are mentioning only 18 per liter. It mileage only 18 kilometers. Okay, so that means it only provide less than 18 means it's a basic factor. It's a dissatisfied. The customer is dissatisfied. Okay, so it satisfy the it will provide the 18 kilometer per liter mileage means the customer performance factors are satisfied. Okay, so another one it provide more than 18, that's 22 kilometers per liter. So means the mileage is 22 kilometers per liter means it's a customer delighted. Okay, excitement factors. This is customer satisfaction levels. Okay, so basic needs. So basic needs is nothing but dissatisfies as a product or service characteristics at the customer takes for granted. So absence of basic attributes results in extreme customer dissatisfaction. Okay, any basic attribute is absent means the customer is dissatisfied. Customer complaints are the primary source of informations on exciting dissatisfies are in our current product or service. Okay, so another one performance needs satisfies. A satisfier is something that customer want it their product service and usually ask for it. Okay, so normally actual result. Okay, so better the performance more will be the customer satisfactions. They are easy to measure and they become the benchmarks used for competitive analysis. That is a performance needs. Another excitement needs. That's a delay test. It's nothing but in your product give additional features. A delay is an unspoken or unexpected requirement of a customer and can result into high level customer satisfactions. So delators are sometimes called exciting quality. So So absence of delighted does not result into the customer dissatisfaction, while its presence can help in enhancing customer satisfaction. Okay, that is excitements. Okay, so on customer perception, the quality is based on performance, and then it have additional features, it provide the additional services, and then provide warranty, and then low cost low price, and then should be branded items. So based on that, the customer see the quality of the particular product. Okay, so this is about the customer satisfactions. In that so we have discussed about customer satisfactions. Okay, how customer expect the product and quality. Okay, so thank you.